How to fix and solve Telegram bot not working. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Telegram bot isn't working, you could try updating the Telegram application. So let's go ahead and open up your App Store or Play Store, and then on the search box you want to type in Telegram. Check whether the app needs to be updated or not. Sometimes the temporary issues might be solved with an update. So go ahead and update the application. If the issue persists on after updating as well, what you could do is go ahead and open up the application and log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. While on this page, tap the tab bar icon and then go to settings. As you go to settings, you want to go ahead and scroll down right to the bottom and go to help section. There, when you want to go ahead and click on ask a question, after which you want to select ask a volunteer and click on the start button. After you've done so, you want to go ahead and select what you want to report a problem, and here you could go ahead and give them the detail regarding the issue that you're facing. So after which, what you also want to do is come back to the profile page, and then you want to go to data and storage, and here you want to go to data storage and make sure to clear cache as well as data. So storage uses and click on clear cache. Now click on the clear cache option. This should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if nothing seems to be working out, you could also try disabling battery optimization. So you go ahead and long press the application or the Telegram application, and then you could go ahead and disable the battery optimization. So once you've done it, so you should be able to fix your issue, or else you could try reinstalling the Telegram application. At the same time, restart your device, and that can be able to fix the issue all at once. So that's the way you could fix and solve Telegram bot not working. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.